The problem many YouTubers are facing is people stealing their content. Yes, people who don't want to do the work, who just copy and paste. I'm not talking about the people who make reactions. That's a different ball game entirely. Neither am I talking about, okay, let's say for example, if I see a particular YouTuber that talk about a topic and I like this topic and I want my audience to learn about it, or to get to have the idea about such topic, I can also talk about topic. Definitely I would not say it exactly as the person said it. I would make my studies and everything. I would like to say a different thing entirely. You understand? That's a different thing. But those who just copy and paste directly without doing anything, no reaction, nothing, just copy and paste. And this act is a punishable offense on YouTube, yes, because YouTube counts such as act as reused content, yes. And when you get a warning strike from YouTube, if care is not taken, if you get a warning strike from YouTube 3 times, your channel will be deleted totally from YouTube. Yes, the channel will be deleted totally from YouTube, and that can be very frustrating. That can be very frustrating. So today I'll be teaching us on how to watermark our videos, yes, on YouTube. How you watermark your videos on YouTube to prevent theft and the rest of it. And please just make sure you stay to the end of this video, because I'll be also telling us the additional protective measure we will take beyond watermarks, yes. That we need to take beyond watermarks, yes. The additional protective measures we need to take beyond watermark. So just make sure you stay to the end of this video. So now I know you've been wondering, like, before we dive into the practical aspects into, like, you're wondering, what is watermark? What's the usefulness of watermark? Yes, watermark is just an object or a logo or an image you put on something. Yes, that's just what watermark is. What's the benefits? Why should you watermark your video? Why should I watermark my video? It's just to deter thief, yes, to avoid your stuff being stolen by someone else. Yes, to avoid your videos or whatever you watermark, to avoid it being stolen by someone else. You understand? Yes. And to also establish ownership. You're just simply saying that this video or this thing is mine. I am the original owner. You understand? So that's just it, establishing ownership of that particular video, and also to increase your visibility. Yes, to increase your brand, like people knowing, recognizing you with such particular image, such particular watermark, that whenever they see it elsewhere, like, I know this logo, I know this person. So that's just the basic benefit of watermarking your videos. So now let me just show you how. Don't worry, I'll do a screen record and I'll paste it up there, don't worry. So I'll show you how you would watermark your videos. Yes, I'll show you how to watermark your videos. You just simply go to your YouTube studio. Simply go to your YouTube studio. You simply go to your YouTube studio. If you don't know it, just type on Google Chrome. Just type studio.youtube.com. Yes, studio.youtube.com. So once you've opened your YouTube studio, this is how it's going to look like. This is how my YouTube studio look like. So you come to this place. Let me zoom it so that you see it. You come to this place, this customization, this, we like call it a pencil icon or so. This side, you come to this place, click on it. That's the customization aspect. So once it's opened, you are seeing that it's where you put the banner, image, pictures, and so. So you have to just scroll up, take it up, scroll up. Then you see it at this last part. You can see it at this last part. You see that you have the video mark aspect. So they said this watermark will appear on your videos in the right hand corner of the video. So this is how, once you watermark your videos, this is how it's going to be showing. That's just what YouTube is trying to tell you. It's going to show you this now you'll click on upload. Let's click on upload. So I've clicked on upload. It's taking us to pictures. So I just want to click on, let me just click on pictures. You can make use of anything. So my advice is just use a very good logo, like look for something that is very good, you understand, because that will what it's going to be showing throughout your entire videos, you understand. So you have to just choose wisely your watermark. So I'll just go to my image here. Looking for very good watermark that we can use. Still looking for a picture. Type this in picture here. So let's choose a particular, yes, I want to make use of the picture I use for my profile picture. That's why I'm looking for it. So this is it. I'll choose that. So this is going to show on my channel. Let's see if I can adjust it. It's okay like this now. It's okay like this. Let me just click on done. Click on done. So you see, it means increase this. So you see it. So you see that it's already showing at that corner, that box aspect. So this is going to show on every of your videos. So if we are not done, so it's asking us a question. It's asking the display time, like when do you want it to appear? Do you want it at the end of the video, which I don't think is bad advisable. Like you're still giving them permission of stealing your video from the beginning or from the beginning of your video, and also the video aspect of your video. While the end, nah, they can't touch it. It's not advisable to fix it at the end of your video. Then the other one is custom start time. Like this custom start time simply means that you would choose a particular time you want it to appear. It's still not advisable to put it, because if you put it in between minutes, you choose the minute, seconds or minutes one, or in between, it's not advisable, to be honest. Not advisable. The advisable one is put it in the entire video. Just click on entire video, because it's going to be showing from the beginning, every second, in between, anywhere to the end of the video. So the watermark will be on the entire video. So that's just the advisable way of putting it, the entire video. So we will put change. No, I don't want to change it. I'm okay with that. I clicked on the entire video. Yeah. So we would come and save it. Since we clicked on the entire video, then we would remember to always save it. You click on publish, because once you do not click on publish, all what you've done here is you didn't do anything. Just put it that way. You didn't do anything at all. So let's click on publish. Yeah, you see, changes is published. So you see, we've fixed in we've watermarked our videos now. Watermark our videos now. So that's just simply how to watermark your videos. So that's simply how to watermark your videos. And also I want to teach us on the additional aspects, the additional measures, the additional protective measures one should take beyond watermarks. Yes, the additional protective measures once you take beyond watermarks. Because I know you can also just be extra careful, extra protective for your videos, you understand. So in case, so you first do copyright registration and claiming your content. Yes, that's simply means securing legal rights. Just do a copyright registration and claim your content. Just in case you get this released content message, just do a copyright registration and you claim your content, you understand, by securing legal rights. So you would report. The next one is report your content theft on platforms. Yes, just report your content theft on platforms. That's by utilizing YouTube copyright tools. Yes, make sure we always utilize our YouTube copyright tools. If YouTube send you a release content message, that's why you should always utilize your copyright tools on YouTube. It's there, it's on your studio. Yeah, so just make use of it. Just keep checking. Just be extra careful. Keep checking your studio. Keep checking your YouTube studio. Then you would say it. There, you have the YouTube copyright tool. Just make use of it. Keep utilizing YouTube copyright tools. It's very good. Once you utilize it, you report. Just report. Make sure you report them. Report content theft on platforms. Just report them on YouTube. Then you are building a strong online presence. That's increasing visibility and brand recognition. Yes, you have to build your strong audience, like build your audience, increase your audience, so that whenever your video is being put out, people will know that no, this person stole this particular video, is not his own, you understand. Yes, so we've come to the end of this video. So if you find this video useful, please leave a comment below. And please, if you have any questions whatsoever, or you want me to do a tutorial on a particular topic, just put it down. Also, this copyright tool, you want me to also teach you how to make use of this copyright tool, leave it in the comment section below. And please support your girl. Make sure you subscribe. It's free. Just click on the subscribe button and that's all. Thank you. Just subscribe, and please also share our videos so it will reach a wider audience, so that people will learn from this, so people will know how to make use of their watermarks now on YouTube. Understand? So please like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you on my next one. Bye.